Just cooked a fucking deer. Damn it. Oh, yeah. You can see all that. That's a deer. Motherfucking bitch. I mean, at least I kept her on, too. She needed a little freshening up, but hopefully that deer's all right. I don't think it is, because I'm hurting, man. Lake Road is dangerous. Yeah, it is. Fuck. Well, let me go check on the dearly departed. Look, this car's probably going to see that dead deer. Fuck. At least the pipe's all right. It's a Honda. She'll crank right back over, but... Oh, no. Well, let me leave a pile up here. Fuck.